Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to talk about AI, specifically the development of artificial intelligence across different eras. In this lesson, students are expected to be able to: the first, identify important phases in the history of AI development from the 19th century to the present. Second, explain the contribution of major figures such as Alan Turing, John McCarthy, and Marvin Minsky to the development of AI. Third, analyze the paradigm and technological changes that have shaped the modern AI era. And the last one, evaluate the implication of the historical development of AI for today's ethical and social challenges. Before we dive into its historical timeline, we need to understand the basic definition. Artificial intelligence refers to the field of computer science that focuses on how machines can mimic human thinking, learning, and decision-making. In simple terms, AI enables machines to recognize patterns, learn from experience, and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every step. The journey of AI begins in the 19th century, often referred to as the conceptual era. During this period, Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine, considered the precursor of modern computer. This machine has data storage components, processing units, and input-output system. Ada Lovelace wrote the first algorithm for the machine and argued that it could be used to manipulate symbols, not just perform numerical calculations. Her insight earned her the nickname, the first programmer. At the same time, George Boole developed Boolean logic, the foundation of all digital computing. This logic can be represented as a true value of 1 and a false value of 0. Later, Gottlob Frege and Bertrand Russell extended this theory of logic into a more complex form of predicate logic, which allows for formal modeling of relations between symbols. Moving forward to the early computing era, 1940 to 1950. In this era, the rapid development of electronic computers such as ENIAC and Colossus brought AI closer to the real world. One of the most influential figures of this era was Alan Turing, who introduced the Turing machine, which is a mathematical model for executing algorithms, and later proposed the Turing test as a way to evaluate machine intelligence. During this period, John von Neumann also introduced the concept of store program architecture, a system in which data and instructions are stored in the same memory. Furthermore, Claude Shannon played a crucial role through his application of Boolean logic to digital circuits and the development of information theory, which became the foundation of modern communication. Norbert Wiener introduced the theory of cybernetics, the study of control and communication systems in living organisms and machines, which later had a significant impact on the development of robotics. AI officially emerged as a discipline at the 1956 Dartmouth Conference, often referred to as the birth of AI. During this period, the symbolic AI or good old-fashioned AI approach developed. This approach assumes that intelligence results from the manipulation of symbols and the application of explicit rules. Early programs such as logic theories and general problem solver, developed by Alan Newell and Herbert Simon, were able to prove mathematical theorems and solve general problems using symbolic logic. Several other achievements, such as ELIZA by Joseph Weissenbaum, SHRDLU by Terry Winograd, demonstrated the ability of computers to understand natural language and mimic human conversational behavior. However, this approach has significant limitations. Symbolic AI is unable to handle uncertainty, ambiguity, and complex real-world contexts. This limitation ultimately led to two difficult periods known as the AI winter, during which research funding and public interest declined dramatically. However, AI rebounded in the 1980s with the development of expert systems, which attempt to capture the knowledge of human experts. Examples of such application include MyGene, an infectious disease diagnosis system, Exon, a computer configuration system used by Digital Equipment Corporation. This resurgence was followed by the rediscovery of the backpropagation algorithm introduced by David Drummelhart, Geoffrey Hinton, and Ronald Williams, which enable neural networks to learn effectively. Entering the machine learning era, the focus shifted from rule-based reasoning to systems that could learn from data. Key figures of this era include Vladimir Vopnik with support vector machines, Judy April with Bayesian network, and Ian Leeson with convolutional neural networks. This movement evolved even further the deep learning era, driven by Hinton, Bengio, and Lacan. Now we are in the modern AI era, where AI is deeply integrated into various sectors: healthcare, transportation, finance, education, agriculture, and also government system. But alongside its rapid growth, AI also brings ethical challenges such as privacy issues, algorithmic bias, and lack of transparency in machine decision making. That's why modern AI emphasizes responsible AI, including principles like fairness, accountability, and explainability. Now that we've explored the entire journey of AI through time, it's time to test our understanding. To do so, we'll move on to the practical questions in the form of prepared essay. Okay, that concludes our lesson for today. So see you in the next lesson. Thank you and bye!